Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will share with you a good strategy. I think this video will be helpful for you if you follow my video. So just have a look. Okay, just have a look. Here you just seen here the uptrend market or the candle behavior. Just zooming here. So let me clear with you this level. When you get this level, okay, like bullish candle, like that, bullish candle, wait, okay, yeah, it's a bullish candle. So when you see that bullish candle, like more strong bullish candle, so after closing this bullish candle, that the candle will come that point, and at that level 50% or 60% level, market will reject from that level like weak. At that level you just take entry from that point. It's 100% win, almost 90% win, because I took that entry, I got most of the entry profit. So that's why I am just sharing with you. When market will come back this 50% or 60% level, after that the market is just going like that, like market doesn't come to the down, and it's like it will go the up, the sentiment you just see. That time just to take entry, it's profit. It's profit, 100% profit or 90%. I want to tell 90%, not 100%, because I take entry that 100%. When you have experience, then you can tell that yes, it's 100% profit. You have to first analyze the demo. So you have to follow, okay? You have to practice a lot, because market will give you profit, must be profit, but you cannot take any profit. You got losses because of you cannot practice as a demo, or you don't know the market structure overall, how candle create, you don't know. So just let example give you. Here it's a bullish, strong bullish, no wick. When you see the bullish candle, no wick, it's strong bullish. After that, just see here, candle wick come here, market will open here and wick. It's a confirmation. When market back down, it's a wick, and it's got rejection at the opening level, okay, at the closing level, market just go here, and that time you take entry, it's a profit. Like there also same, you just see here weak profit, it's also profit. It's not weak, but when market go up, then you can also take entry, but it's like 2 or 3 candle profit you can take. After that you have to wait, because you cannot take profit serial by serial candle, okay? When bullish confirmation or bullish candle will be created, you will get profit like 2 or 3 within 1 minute, 1 minute trade, like that 2 or 3 you will get profit. After that you have to wait, because of market anytime will reverse, because market doesn't give you 100% profit like serial by serial, okay? So you have to wait. When you get 2 or 3 entry like that point, bearish or bullish system or trend line system, then you have to wait for the confirmation like that. Suppose you take an entry here, 1 2 3, after that you have to wait, like market reverse, and you have to follow the where the market want to go. So I think you have understand, you have to practice it a lot, okay? Just follow my structure, and thank you very much for supporting me, and subscribe my YouTube channel.